Hello everyone, happy Eid to all of you. And how are you holding up this lockdown? Hello Vibhuti, hello Hatima, hello Mega Ma'am, hello Gagan, hello Srishti, hello Sonakshi, hello Aman. So we will be joined by a really special guest for tonight's live, and he will be with us soon. So his name is Sushant Digvikar, and he was the person who actually go on to won the Mr. Gay title in 2014. He is the only person from 2020 in India who made it to the list of under 30, the prestigious list of Forbes I'm talking about. And he was the only drag performer. You might have seen him in Big Boss and many shows, and he's a great actor. He's a prolific singer, so he'll be joining us soon. So how's this lockdown going for you? You can write in the comment section if you have any questions to ask him. So I'll ask him as soon as he joined us. Hello Shankar, hello Vibhuti, hi Aman, hi Kanishk. So yeah, you can go if there's any doubt or any topics to cover, then you can write in the comment section. So whenever he joined, we'll be talking about it. So here I can see sir, and I'll be requesting him.
Hello.
Hi,
Hello,
hi, hi.
Sushant sir. How are you, sir?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing good, sir. And it's been our pleasure to have you to host you on our platform. I think it's gonna give you a much needed boost. And it through support of people like you, I think we will be getting closer to our goal each day.
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
So, how's this lockdown going for you, sir?
It's been pretty good. I'm just a little bored now, I think. So is everybody else. But I think we've been doing a good job by staying indoors. And First of all, let me just wish everybody very happy Eid Mubarak, sabko. And Also, I just wanted to uh, just put out a message that, in whatever way you can help people who have been affected by the cyclone in West Bengal and other areas, I think, we need to stand together and help them also. So, in case, you know anybody who can help and is doing good work, please share it so that other people can also access that.
So, sir, you made India really proud by being in the Forbes prestigious list of top 30 under 30 in the arts and entertainment category. I think you were the only Indian. So, I want to ask you one thing that you are the first Indian drag performer who made it to that list. So, how your journey as a drag performer began?
I had a lot of fun, along the way. I started my journey as an entertainer as in the entertainment industry when I was 16. So, but then since then, I have just been trying to explore new opportunities and also new areas in which I can sort of, spread the joy of performance art. So, and then I started drag in 2015 because that was the first time I did drag on stage for a play, for a theatre production by Vikram Kapadia. It was called, I mean, it is Merchant of Venice, based on William Shakespeare's Merchant of Venice. And, that's when I realized that it's very interesting to, to sort of explore this sort of art form. And that's when I started, doing drag as a performing art. And then Rani Kohinoor was born in 2017
Oh, wow.
at Kitty Sue, Delhi, in at the Lalit Hotel, and that is all thanks to Mr. Keshav Suri, who is the executive director of the Lalit Group. So he actually, really also asked me, to do drag as a performance art. And then I mixed drag and singing, and my performances were around me singing in both the voices, male and female. So इस वजह से then फिर मैंने सारेगामा पा पे also I did as the first drag artist to be featured
Mhm.
on national television, and I was very happy that I could take the art form which is drag
Yes, sir.
to a larger audience.
And what larger audience can be that through your drag art you were the part of this prestigious Forbes list. And my early memory of you, I think that you were part of Bindas Big Switch. And
Yeah, that was when I was very young. That's one of my first shows on TV. That is about
yeah.
that's about 11 years back. So one of my first shows on TV. I'm glad you remember that. It was a lot of fun. I met a lot of beautiful people. I'm still friends with them. Um, so yeah, I'm on my WhatsApp notification, someone is sending me that इतनी तहजीब और तमीज से आप आज पेश आ रहे हैं. मैंने कहा हम कहाँ बदतमीज हुए हैं आज तक, हम नहीं हुए. So they're liking my monochromatic look today because it's Eid, so I thought why not, we should definitely. And I'm please मुझे माफ करिए कि मैं अंग्रेजी में ज्यादा बात कर रहा हूँ क्योंकि there's an audience you know that is watching me from all over also, like probably if they see it, then I want to kind of uh, reach out to a lot more people. So that's why and I will switch, I'll keep switching between English
Okay,
and
okay,
Hindi.
sir. Since you are
Yeah.
looking very beautiful, and there's this interesting question from Vibhuti. She's asking, how do you balance your personality between Sushant as a person and Rani Kohinoor?
Rani is when I'm on stage. Sushant is when I am in my day-to-day life. But anyway, I think I'm also very inclined towards trying new trends, and not trying new trends, but like trying new stuff when it comes to fashion. But I have realized that I have really been inspired by sustainable fashion, and I think it's very important that people who are influencers and actors and people who are in the entertainment industry understand the idea of sustainability. And I think that is very important. It's not about how much you have, but it's about you know uh, how you can kind of mix and match and wear and sort of use and utilize what you already have. There are a lot of people that I know, and even me, that I have so many pieces of clothing that so many people, I mean, like, I don't even know that I have that. So I'd rather just look into my cupboard first, wear all that I have, and not go and just unnecessarily buy for the sake of buying just because I have money that I'll buy. So people need to understand that.
So, sir, our organization deals with primarily prevention of sexual abuse among children. So, you have raised your voice on Me Too campaign, and there are many incidences of sexual harassment which you have talked about and being vocal on Twitter and all your platforms. So, do you think that soon there will be a campaign named Children Too, where the children should be talking about the sexual offences they have gone through in their early days? And how was your childhood, sir?
Can you repeat the question? What do you want me to? Sorry, I missed that.
Sir, I want to ask you that will there be any situation in the near future where we will be talking about the Children Too campaign, where those children who are now adults will be talking about the sexual offences, sexual abuses they have gone through in their early days?
It doesn't matter. The problem is that we should make sure that we don't have cases, like that. Like, we need to make people understand, and we need to educate people that it is offense against anybody is wrong. Whether it is a man, woman, transgender person, child, so definitely not. We should just not even think. I don't know how people are sick, mentally sick, if they do anything to children.
Yes.
And I think that penalty should be so high. It should be death penalty. If you, in my opinion, I know we live in a democracy, and everybody deserves a fair trial. But we also need to understand that uh, people have to people are taking somebody else's dignity, integrity, and it's going to scar them for life. And it's a child, and especially if it's gruesome and it's fatal, and people have been accused of murder and rape, and the punishment should be high. There is nothing wrong in saying that. A lot of people will say that I'm after this also, maybe I'll get a call or something and saying that how can you say something like that. But it is what I feel. I don't think that I don't think anybody should have the authority to violate someone else's dignity and integrity.
Yes, sir.
That is something we die with. We are born with, and we die with. So if you take that away from me, I'm just a body. if you take my
Yes.
soul from me, if you take my integrity from me, I'm just another body, just another person. So I think that it's very essential that we have all these conversations. इन सब के बारे में बात करना बहुत जरूरी होता है, और हमारे जो बच्चे होते हैं उनको भी बताना जरूरी होता है कि अगर आपको किसी अनजान आदमी या औरत ने
Good touches, bad
साइड पे लेके,
touches,
हाँ
and
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, इन सब चीजों के बारे में उनको स्कूल्स और कॉलेजेस में भी बात करनी चाहिए, टीचर्स और वर्कशॉप्स होनी चाहिए ज्यादा,
yes, sir. We
सेक्स
strongly,
एजुकेशन
yes, sir.
should be. So I don't say that there should be a movement where people should come, and if people are comfortable speaking about it, like for example, there are a lot of people that speak about their orientation, about the community, about the LGBT community, but there are also so many people that don't want to talk about their orientation. They want to be in the closet because they have issues, so I think that people need to respect people's choices.
And so what I believe in is that in India we really need the subject of sex education in our curriculum, so that every person, every child should be aware of that. And इंडिया में बहुत मतलब इस चीज को बहुत टैबू की तरह ट्रीट किया जाता है, which is something
बिल्कुल
natural.
किया जाता
तो
है, और फिर बहुत सारे बहुत बहुत बार हम ये भी देखते हैं कि जो जिन पर हमला होता है या जिन पर रेप किया जाता है, जिनको रेप किया जाता है, जिनको मोलेस्ट किया जाता है, अगर वो जाके बात करते हैं तो ऐसे मतलब 5-6 उंगलियां उन पे ही उठती हैं कि आपके वजह से ही हुआ होगा, आपने ये इनवाइट किया होगा, आपके कपड़े देखिए, या आपने उनको इनवाइट किया होगा, आपने उनको कोई साइन दिया होगा. एंड आई एम लाइक, व्हाट आर यू टॉकिंग, हाउ कैन यू टॉक, this makes no sense to me. And this is, it's like, and I don't call them victim, they are survivors. There are some people who are victims because they succumb to the atrocities that they have been put through. I call them survivors, and there's the survivor shaming ho jata hai fir. Some people call it, like how you have slut shaming, body shaming, they call it victim shaming also. तो जिन पे हमला हुआ है हम उन पे ही उंगलियां उठा रहे हैं, तो हम खुद को इंसान कैसे कहला सकते हैं? So I think that it's very essential that we educate our population, audiences, and especially children, that you cannot be violating. आते जाते किसी को भी मतलब कुछ भी बुला लो, या किसी को ऐसे हाथ मार लो, या to touch them, and I don't I feel a little this by speaking also, but you need to speak about all these things. You need to get it out of the system. Also educate other people, and doesn't matter whether you're straight. Again, whether you're straight, gay, you're rich, you're poor. Nobody else has the authority to be mean to you, be rude to you, bully you. तो इन सारी चीजों के लिए I think there should be one law, like an anti-discriminatory law, जो ये सारे areas cover कर लेता है. तो I think that is something that I think we need to work on.
Okay. And sir, एक इंसिडेंट हुआ था मी टू के अकॉर्डिंग, शायद आपने उसके बारे में बात करी थी. There was this person who was accused of doing such crime and doing sexual harassment, and he was saying that कि सामने वाला कोई है वो आवाज इसलिए उठा रहा है बिकॉज उसे पब्लिसिटी चाहिए.
देखिए ऐसे लोगों को बिल्कुल बिल्कुल ऐसे लोगों को हम लोग जब उनकी बात सुनने के लिए उनको इंटरव्यू भी करते हैं तो ये हम अपने आप पे दाग लगा रहे हैं. We should not even talk to the person who is suspected of a crime. They don't deserve their attention. और हम अटेंशन के लिए नहीं कर रहे, वो अटेंशन के लिए करते हैं. ये सब बकवास जो स्टेटमेंट बनाते, स्टेटमेंट पब्लिक करते हैं ये, या इंटरव्यूज देते हैं और ये बकवासें करते हैं. आई थिंक इट इज वी शुड नॉट गिव देम इम्पोर्टेंस एट ऑल. So because we know that the person who has gone through this, who has survived rape, or who has gone through molestation or abuse, mental or physical abuse. Mental abuse is also a reality. People need to talk about mental health also. All of these things are realities. तो लोग बात करने के लिए डरते क्यों हैं ये? और जब ऐसे लोग जो आते हैं, एक तो आप क्या पूछेंगे रेपिस्ट को कि आपने रेप क्यों किया? उनको पूछना इट्स नॉट जरूरी है ही नहीं. ये आपके रिसर्च के लिए ठीक है, बट ये सारे ये लोग करते हैं, some of the people that interview all these people, there is no need for that. You have to just punish them. Why you did it, I don't care. You have taken away somebody's dignity, and that I don't need a reason for. There should be no, it should be an open and shut case. इसके बारे में इन्वेस्टिगेशन करने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है, आई थिंक, इन माय ओपिनियन.
Sir,
और ये
do
सब
you
लोग
think?
टाइम वेस्ट करते हैं, ये सब लोगों को गुमराह करने की कोशिश करते हैं, बिकॉज द थिंग
Yes,
इज
sir.
दैट द केस इज नॉट गोइंग फॉरवर्ड. जब केस आगे बढ़ नहीं रहा, दे ट्राई टू डिस्ट्रैक्ट द ऑडियंस. देन द ऑडियंस, यू नो व्हाट हैपेंस, फिर ऑडियंस के मन में सिंपैथी पैदा होती है विक्टिम के लिए या सर्वाइवर
Yes,
के
sir.
लिए. सो द होल आइडिया ऑफ द सर्वाइवर गेटिंग द जस्टिस वी हैव फॉरगॉटन. वी आर लाइक, इसने क्यों किया ऐसे, अरे क्यों किया, कैसे किया, हमको क्यों जानना है. आप उनको पहले, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू पनिश देम. जो निर्भया के केस में हुआ, आफ्टर 7
Yes,
years
sir.
you have given that
Yes,
girl
sir.
who has gone, she's not even here. We talked about everything, what they used, how they did, what they did, कहाँ कितने बजे किया. Is this important?
No, sir.
The important part
You're
is
absolutely right.
you give that mother of that child who has lost her child, she has to go to court every time. She has to pay for the lawyer, or that lawyer has not taken money. She was a lady lawyer. But you are making somebody go through that. Is this the system that we are living in? It's shameful. So people need to call it out. Yes, we are in a democracy. We respect the government. We respect people who are running the country. But yes, you have to also speak about all these things. They're realities. We need to talk about all these things
Yes, sir.
as the youth.
Sir, do you think LGBTQ children are more prone to sexual violence?
You know, I think that everybody who is watching this must know that every child should be protected. Whether you're gay, you're straight, you're a child. That's a child, na. Now, whether that child is effeminate, या फिर you know, he or she is, you know, identifies as the other gender, doesn't matter. That is a child. You don't have any right to abuse a child, and that's the conclusion of it. So whether they are prone or no, वो तो research ही बताएगा. I'm not done research on that. But any child should be given love and unconditional support, and should be given a good environment where he she can blossom.
Sir, you are an actor, VJ, TV personality. So I really want to ask this one question: that how did this journey start? How do you enter into the entertainment industry?
पहले तो मैं आपको बताना चाहूंगा कि मैं, first of all, let me just say hi to a couple of people. Hi everyone, in fact. Everybody that has joined us. I'm sorry, this was very last minute. हम लोग ने ये काफी last minute decide किया था. कल ही मैंने ये poster डाला था आपका. But thank you so much for everyone who has joined us. आपका question क्या था? That how I joined.
How did you? Yes, sir.
I was actually, you know, in college I was a very bright student. In school I was average, but in college I was very good. I was one of the toppers because I had taken my subjects that I liked. College में आप choose कर सकते हो ना, जो
Yes,
आपको
sir.
पसंद है वो subjects ले सकते हैं. तो मैंने arts लिया था, and I had taken psychology, sociology, and economics. So I really did very well and stuff, and I wanted to always study, and I was very studious. I was a geek, you know. I used to score very well, and I didn't ever think that I would join the entertainment industry. फिर मेरे बड़े भाई हैं जो मॉडल हुआ करते थे. He was a model. यार तुम चाय पी रहे हो, मुझे भी पीना है.
Sir, पानी है पानी.
अच्छा धोखा दे रहे हो तुम लोगों को वो मग में पानी पी के. When after I looked at your mug, I'm feeling like मुझे भी चाय चाहिए. But anyway, I'll have it after this. So
Yes,
what I
sir.
was saying was, so my brother told me about this one audition that was happening, you know. और फिर उस audition पे they wanted somebody who was younger, and my brother was a little older for that audition. So he told me, why don't you go for it? I said, what rubbish, I don't want to. ये सब तुम ही कर सकते हो and all that. So I used to be like, नहीं मुझ में तो दिमाग है, मैं क्यों modeling करूं और ये सब. So you know, because people used to have this is also a misconception. जो हम लोग
Yes,
को
sir.
मीडिया में दिखाया जाता था कि मॉडल जो होते हैं, एक्टर्स जो होते हैं, उनका मतलब खुद का दिमाग नहीं है, they are not intelligent, you know, they are not educated. So but I was like, okay, ठीक है. Then my brother said that you just try it out. Now I will be there with you. You try it out. तो फिर वो पहले ऑडिशन में हम लोग गए, ये वो काफी छोटा, देयर वाज सम छोटा मोटा रोल था, एंड देन ही वाज सिटिंग आउटसाइड इन द वेटिंग रूम एंड स्टफ. आई डिड अ गुड ओके जॉब एंड came. I didn't get selected. Then after that I went by myself, and that was my solo audition for the first time. I was actually doing for the main lead of that TVC. और ये एक टूथपेस्ट का कमर्शियल था, and I was still studying that time, you know, and I studied even till my first show on TV as a host also. I was still studying only because I have studied so much. And sometimes my mother used to tell me that क्यों इतना पढ़ाई कर रहे हो, ये डिग्रीज तुम कभी काम करोगे क्या, मतलब ये कभी तुम इस्तेमाल करोगे इन डिग्रियों का. बट आई वाज लाइक, आई वाज स्टडीइंग साइकोलॉजी ना. साइकोलॉजी इज द साइंस ऑफ ह्यूमन बिहेवियर, you know, and the brain. So मैंने कहा even if I don't use my degrees in the workplace, I will still be able to use it for my personal, you know, in my life. So that is one thing I did. But you know, that's how I started. And just that first ad that I had gone for, I didn't get selected, and then the casting director was so mean. वो इतना, मतलब उनकी जबान इतनी गंदी थी, और उसने बोला ये तो बहुत गे है, और मुझे बहुत वो हर्ट हुआ. यू नो, आई वाज वेरी यंग, आई वाज अबाउट 16 और समथिंग, एंड आई 17, एंड आई वाज वेरी हर्ट बाय दैट. देन आई केम होम एंड आई क्राइड एंड स्टफ लाइक दैट, एंड आई टोल्ड माय ब्रदर कि इसने मुझे ये ऐसे ऐसे बोला. तो उसने बोला तो बहुत सारे लोग बहुत कुछ बोलेंगे, यू नो, और ये तुमको लाइफ में बहुत कुछ सहना पड़ेगा, लाइक स्टफ लाइक दिस. तो आई सेड बट डू आई वांट टू डू इट. I was very scared, you know. So then I said, you know, F it, let's go and give it another shot. तो अगले हफ्ते और एक advertisement का ये था audition, in which I got selected. That was my first ad on you know, TVC, and it was for quite a big brand of cars. तभी मुझे गाड़ी चलानी आती नहीं थी, और पर मुझे फिर भी लिया, क्योंकि उनको लगा कि मेरा लुक वो उस प्रोडक्ट के लिए, पता नहीं मुझे देख के कौन का गाड़ी खरीदेगा, बट ठीक है, अभी उन्होंने, मतलब उनको लगा था वो ऐसे. तो that was my first advertisement for Maruti Suzuki Ritz car. तभी वो पहले नई आई थी, and then that time I had done that advertisement. So from there I did multiple advertisement, कुछ 25-30 advertisements किए TVC पे. और फिर उसके बाद I got an opportunity from my friend who was with me in school. तो उसने कहा कि ये रियलिटी शो हो रहा है. आई सेड नहीं, क्योंकि उसके पहले मैंने रियलिटी शो सिर्फ देखे थे जहां पर झगड़े होते थे, एंड यू नो, लाइक पीपल यूज्ड टू रियली से वेरी नास्टी थिंग्स टू ईच अदर. तो मैंने कहा नहीं यार, आई हैव जस्ट कम आउट ऑफ द क्लोजेट. तभी आई वाज 20 years old. I said no, and I don't know how my parents will react to this. So I don't want to just upset them also, and I don't want, पता नहीं मैं सह पाऊंगा या नहीं ना. नेशनल टेलीविजन पे अगर आपको किसी ने गाली दी, आप उठ के उनको एक तमाचा मारोगे. मैं, आई हैव बीन, माय मसल मेमोरी इज के अगर आपको किसी ने कुछ किया तो फिर आप मतलब उधर ही दे डालो उनको. हम रुकते नहीं है वैसे, यू नो. तो because the thing is that, again, you know, if you're going to be attacked, you have to protect yourself. You know, you can't be like one damsel in distress, sit in one corner and all. I've never been taught that. So I've been always taught to throw hands. We have been taught to protect ourselves. So ever since we were kids, and especially I have a brother who looks like Hulk. So he's 6'2". तो उसने मुझे सब कुछ सिखा दिया है. तो I was very you know, very bindas like that. So I felt like you know, it was quite a good journey for me, and and then, you know, one thing led to another, and one of my friends was doing this reality show. So I said, oh, should I do it, should I not do it? Then I did it. It was the one Big Switch जो आपने जिसका जिक्र किया था अभी. और my friend Kriti had suggested कि मैं करूँ, Kriti Gogia, and I was there also. I was a little adamant. Then she said, just try it now. What is there in trying? So then I tried it. Then I did that. Then she called me for another show, which she wanted me to host as a VJ, as a host for the youth channel, UTV Bindas. Then I did that. Then I did a couple of other shows on TV. Then I did. Then I went for Mr. Gay India. फिर उसके बाद I came back for Mr. Gay World.
You won the title.
मुझे Big Boss मिला, जहाँ पर भी मुझे मेरी बहुत फट रही थी actually. I was feeling very मैंने सोचा कि, you know, should we do this? And Big Boss is, because, you know, again Big Boss में भी दिखाया जाता है कि लोग इतना एक दूसरे को गाली देते हैं, गाली गलौज होता है. But on the other side it's also very entertaining. You know, tasks भी बहुत अच्छे रहते हैं sometimes.
Yes,
और मेरे टाइम में ना, I'll tell you something, in my season of Big Boss, season 8, I had very beautiful people, very nice people, जिन्होंने मतलब मुझे एटलीस्ट पर्सनली अटैक नहीं किया किसी ने फॉर माई
Yes, sir.
ओरिएंटेशन, बिकॉज आई वॉज डिफरेंट, लाइक इन टर्म्स, तो उन्होंने मेरे को,
Mm-hmm.
दे डिडंट मेक मी लुक लाइक आई वाज, दे डिडंट मेक मी फील लाइक आई वाज डिफरेंट, which I really appreciate. Of course अनबन होती रहती है लोगों में, अगर आप एक दूसरे की शक्ल 2 महीने 3 महीने तक देखते रहते हैं और you don't have any communication with the outside
Yes, sir.
world, you start feeling like, वो तो घर में भी होता है ना, भाई बहनों के साथ झगड़े होते हैं, माँ
Yes, sir.
बहन माँ बाप के साथ
हाँ,
आपके थोड़े इनकन्वीनियंस
अनबन.
होते हैं, कोई
Yes.
हाँ कोई अनबन होता है, तो like that as a family I took it, and I'm still in touch with a lot of people from Big Boss, and जो भी कहते हैं कि बिग बॉस में फ्रेंडशिप्स नहीं बनते, आई हैव मेड वेरी गुड फ्रेंड्स फॉर माई लाइफ, एंड वन ऑफ देम इज डायंड्रा, फिर
Mm-hmm.
there is Preetam, Praneet, Sony, Dipshika, all of us are in touch with each other, and so that's a great thing. Karishma, Gautam, they are also very nice, like they're all nice people. Only when you're on a show, because of
Yes,
a
sir.
certain thing, you're put in a certain circumstance, that is why you feel like reacting a certain way. But again, I can't blame the show, or I can't blame anybody. It's up to the contestants कि आप कैसे पेश आना चाहते हो.
Okay, sir.
So
So now
that
let's
is how
take some.
everything happened.
Yes, sir. So now let's take some audience questions. So there's this question Swati is asking. So who is your favorite person in your life?
Hi Swati, my favorite person, my family. I will say not one person, but my family. Is very close to me, because they have made sure that I'm comfortable, and I could become whatever I wanted to become in life. So I would definitely say my family, my parents, my brother, sister-in-law, my niece, my baby niece, all of them, and also my extended relatives like my cousin, my aunties, uncles, everyone.
And so Ishita is asking, who is your role model?
My role model as an artist, my role model is like there again I have so many, तो मैं एक का नाम नहीं ले सकता, but like I was really very impressed by, and also very influenced by Madonna, Michael Jackson, Freddie Mercury, and Whitney Houston. और and closer to home, I absolutely loved Usha Uttup. जब भी मैं छोटा था ना, when I used to look at Usha Uttup ji, I used to just love her voice, love her personality. वो जो जैसे बात करती हैं, how she conducts herself, it's great. So I'm a very big fan of Usha Uttup also, and also Kavita Krishnamurti with her singing. She's very eclectic with her voice and stuff. और एक और चीज मैं बताना चाहूंगा आपको, when I started singing, when I was growing up, जब मैं टीवी पे देखता था फाल्गुनी पाठक आती थी, तो मुझे पता नहीं था कि वो, जब मैं बहुत ही छोटा था, I was I think 4 years old when she had come out with the first song, and in the 90s, और तभी मुझे लगा था कि वो आदमी है, फाल्गुनी पाठक is a man. Not disrespectful, but I thought that, and also वो जो loose कपड़े से blazer, so I thought she's a man, and I was a baby, I was a kid ना, so I was like wow, ये uncle दोनों आवाजों में गा सकते, नहीं मतलब ये uncle आंटी की आवाज में भी गा सकते हैं. So that was in my head. Then when I grew a little older, I realized that she's a woman, and then I realized that okay, what, she's different from other women, and that's what makes her special, that's what makes her unique. और उनकी क्या आवाज थी, और फिर then she came out with this song called मैंने पायल है छनकाई, and all that, when I was 8 years old, and then I used to dance to those songs and stuff, and I was like, if she can sing like that, and she can have a personality that is not effeminate, उनके लंबे बाल नहीं है, उनके कपड़े वेरी जो effeminate बोलते हैं, जो लेडीज के जो मतलब सूट्स हैं या फिर साड़ी है, वो वैसे नहीं पहनती. She was wearing a trousers and half jackets and stuff. I was like, I love this. I want to be something like that. I want to be something different. जो लोग देख के बोल सके कि जो बच्चे देख रहे हैं टीवी पे, that we want to be like that. हमको दोनों आवाजों में गाना है, कैसे गा सकते हैं, stuff like that. So मुझे एक्चुअली लगा बहुत बहुत सालों के लिए कि फाल्गुनी जी वाज अ मैन, but then I realized that she's just a fabulous person, and that's what's important. Doesn't matter whether, again, doesn't matter whether you're man, woman, transgender, doesn't matter. She's a great artist. That's what matters.
And sir, there's this question in the audience that they are asking that how was your interaction with Mr. Salman Khan?
Oh, he's an amazing person, like in terms of when we were on the show, um,
Mm-hmm.
Salman ji was very protective of us, and he used to tell us also that देखो मैं इस शो का होस्ट हूँ, तो अगर मैं आपको कुछ बोल रहा हूँ, वो मैं इसलिए बोल रहा हूँ क्योंकि मैं भी इस शो का एक हिस्सा हूँ. इट्स नॉट लाइक आई एम जस्ट टॉकिंग जस्ट लाइक दैट, एंड ही इज लाइक जो भी ऑडियंस को नजर आ रहा है मैं वो कन्वे कर रहा हूँ आपको एज अ होस्ट. तो ही वाज वेरी अनबायस्ड, बिकॉज एक तो ये मेरे को बात पता नहीं चलती, जो लोग कहते हैं कि ही इज बीइंग बायस, ही इज बीइंग बायस. सलमान खान को क्या पड़ी है कि मेरे मेरे
Yes,
मेरे
sir.
जिंदगी में क्या
Exactly.
हो रहा है, या करिश्मा तन्ना की जिंदगी में क्या हो रहा है, या डायन रसवरस की जिंदगी में क्या हो रहा है. क्या पार्शियलिटी की बात करते हैं लोग. नाउ माय थिंग इज दैट बड़ा उनको कुछ मतलब हासिल हो रहा है कि इवन दिस सीजन दे वर सेइंग दैट ही इज बीइंग पार्शियल, और द होस्ट इज बीइंग पार्शियल. ही इज द होस्ट ऑफ द शो. So whatever he's told, he will say, because he's also an employee of the channel and it's employee of the production. It's not like this is his show. He also gets a paycheck. उनको भी पैसे मिलते हैं ये शो को होस्ट करने के लिए. वो कुछ मतलब अपने पैसे नहीं डाल रहे कि जो
Yes,
वो
sir.
अपने मन में आता है वो बोलेंगे. Also, like just to show somebody down. वो जो हो रहा है उस शो पे, he says it, and so a lot of people take it in the good way. People don't take it in a good way. तब whatever. But
And
he's a nice
how was
guy. He's
your
very nice.
journey in Saregama?
सारेगामापा पे मुझे बहुत मजा आया. बहुत बहुत टैलेंटेड आर्टिस्ट के साथ.
Hmm.
एंड सी द थिंग इज दैट आई हैड ऑलरेडी डन सो मच टीवी. मैंने 10 साल टीवी ऑलरेडी किया, 12 साल टीवी ऑलरेडी किया था. सो आई वाज अ लिटिल स्कैर्ड वेदर आई शुड डू इट एज अ as a contestant, and what will it be. Then I realized that जो LGBTQ community है,
Yes, sir.
जो रिप्रेजेंट किया जाता है हम लोगों को, बहुत मतलब 1-1.5 साल पहले तक बहुत गलत तरह से रिप्रेजेंट किया जाता था. तो मैंने सोचा कि एज अ ड्रैग आर्टिस्ट मैं ये इस कला को नेशनल टेलीविजन पे, टीवी पे, सबके घरों में, मतलब टीवी के थ्रू सबके घरों में पहुंच के सबको समझा सकूं कि that this is a dance form, this is an art form, and it doesn't
Art
matter
form.
whether you're straight, gay, trans, man, woman.
Or yes.
You can do whatever you feel, if you're doing a good job with the performance art. So that's why I did Saregamapa, and as a contestant, and it was very good. It was a very good experience. और मुझे बहुत बहुत सारा प्यार मिला पूरी आवाम से. तो I'm very thankful for that.
And sir, there is this misconception that LGBTQ community, the people from this community, is mostly involved in the creative professions. But as compared to you, you are a certified psychologist, and there might be many people who will be in different professions. So, what's your
Right.
take on that?
So I told you ना earlier also, मैंने आपको पहले ही बताया था कि मैंने बहुत बहुत पढ़ाई की है. तो मैंने मास्टर्स के बाद भी मेरे मास्टर्स मैंने मुंबई यूनिवर्सिटी से किया, मास्टर्स इन साइकोलॉजी, अप्लाइड साइकोलॉजी, एंड आई स्पेशलाइज्ड इन इंडस्ट्रियल साइकोलॉजी, व्हिच इज वर्कप्लेस, ऑर्गेनाइजेशनल बिहेवियर डेवलपमेंट, एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. जो HR प्रैक्टिसेस होती हैं एक कंपनी में या कॉर्पोरेट में, कॉर्पोरेट साइकोलॉजी बेसिकली, सो वर्कप्लेस. एंड देन what happened was I still did more diplomas. So I did a diploma in PR, in advertising, in this, that, the other, in emotional writing. तो बहुत सारी वही मैं कह रहा हूँ कि बहुत सारा मैंने कलेक्ट करके रखा है, पता नहीं किसके लिए, but it's always good to learn. I keep saying this, that every day you learn something different, and this is what, because you said this, it's very important to realize that people who are LGBTQ can be doctors, can be lawyers, can be artists, can be designers, can be anything they want. Politicians.
Exactly.
There are politicians who are now there are lawyers, there are the Supreme Court judges who are transgender, there are principals of schools and colleges that identify as LGBT, and that is what this community is about, and it is as normal as anybody else. देखिए, हमारे भी 2 आँख हैं, 2 कान हैं, 1 नाक है, 2
Yes,
हाथ
sir.
हैं, 2 पैर हैं, और मतलब व्हाटएवर हमारी भी फीलिंग्स हैं, हमारी भी फैमिली है, मेरे भी माँ-बाप हैं, मेरे भी फ्रेंड्स हैं, मेरे कुछ इमोशंस हैं, मेरे ड्रीम्स होते हैं. तो ये आप या कोई और हमसे ले नहीं सकता. You cannot strip us of all of these things just because some people might think that being LGBT is not right according to them. But that doesn't mean that we should not get educated, we should not get jobs. It doesn't mean that we are worth any lesser than anybody else. So I think that is something that people should think about it. You should treat everybody like the way you want to be treated.
Equally.
My mother keeps saying this.
सर, आपके लिए गाने की फरमाइश बहुत आ रही है, तो
जी।
कुछ लाइंस हम सुन सकते हैं सर?
गाने की?
यस सर.
Acha. Okay, guys and girls and everybody that's here, please let us know what song should I sing. फरमाइशें दी जाएं. हम 2 गाने गाएंगे. Like I will take 2 फरमाइशेस, but like not
Yes,
full
sir.
songs, हाँ. पूरे के पूरे गाने नहीं गाएंगे, नहीं तो फिर मतलब मुझे actually words भी पता नहीं होती. Mummy, just give me that other phone if you don't mind. Thank you guys. Thank you for all the love. So much love. I love it. I'm going to just give a couple of shout outs. Hi, Aditya Kotwal is here. Love it. Hair by Shubham Rekha. It's Vishwas Singh. Hi guys. Vibhuti024. Arpita Kalra. Unbatoned. आप नाम लीजिए ना तब तक लोगों का, and say hi no please
सही रमन.
to everybody. I love Anshika Karbanda is here, who I had done a nice Chunari. I love that song. Okay, chalo, I'll sing 2 lines of Chunari. Oh, लालगंज के लाल बाग से लाल चुनरियां लाए, चुनरी. You have to say chunari na.
Chunari. Sir, my voice is really bad and I can't match your talent, but I will try.
लाल बाग से लाल रंग लाए, चुनरी.
Chunari.
ओ आजा ना छूले मेरी चुनरी सनम, कुछ ना मैं बोलूं तुझे मेरी कसम, आई जवानी सर पे मेरे, तेरे में क्या करूं जवानी बेरहम, आजा ना छूले मेरी चुनरी सनम, कुछ ना मैं बोलूं तुझे मेरी कसम.
And sir, I also have a personal request. I would like you to sing Kabira.
Kabira. Okay. What are the other ways? I will come to yours
Yes,
a
sir.
little later.
Jile Zara, someone is demanding Jile Zara.
Jile Zara is there. Rohit Verma is here. Hi, Rohit. पिया तू अब तो आजा, बहुत गालियां. When I was young, जब मैं छोटा था ना, मुझे लगता था that day I was telling my mother कि जब वो पिया तू अब तो आजा लिरिक्स आए थे, मैंने सोचा कि पिया तू अब तो आजा. फिर मेरे को पता चला कि पिया का मतलब ये भी होता है कि जो आप किसी जिससे इश्क करते हो या जो भी आपका पार्टनर होता है. मैंने सोचा कि पिया तू अब आजा टाइप, मैंने बोला ये कैसे वाहियात लिरिक्स हैं.
So what's your favorite song?
My favorite song is, but it's a very slow song ना, तो आज जाने की जिद ना करो.
Oh.
I'll sing. कौन सा बोला था? 1 minute. What were you saying? Mohsin. Mohsin. Hi Mohsin. कौन सा?
I requested Kabira. Sir, Kabira.
बन्नो रे बन्नो मेरी चली ससुराल को, अखियों में पानी दे गई, दुआ में मीठी गुड़दानी ले गई. हाय बन्नो रे बन्नो मेरी चली ससुराल को, अखियों में पानी दे गई, दुआ में मीठी गुड़दानी ले गई। रे कबीरा मान जा, रे फकीरा यूं न जा, आजा तुझको पुकारे तेरी हर जाइया।
सर इतना कॉन्फिडेंस लाते कहाँ से हो?
इतना कॉन्फिडेंस सब है, अब
हाँ,
क्या
sir.
करे, यू नो दिस इज द थिंग एंड आई लाइक टू शेयर इट विद अदर पीपल आल्सो।
Yes,
जो भी
sir.
मतलब किसी भी रूम में, यू नो व्हेनेवर आई गो, इफ आई एम परफॉर्मिंग और समथिंग, जो मेरे साथ अगर कोई परफॉर्म कर रहा है, कोई आर्टिस्ट है एंड दे नर्वस एंड स्टफ, आई तो जस्ट गिव देम वन, मतलब ऐसे आई गिव देम वन पैट ऑन द शोल्डर एंड एक गालो यार, कौन देख रहा है, मतलब लोग देख रहे हैं, बट यू सिंग लाइक नो वन इज वाचिंग और यू परफॉर्म लाइक नोबडी इज वाचिंग। पेमेंट तो मिलनी है इसके बाद, तो अच्छा काम करके पेमेंट लो। It's like my thing is that way, you know. I think that you should give your audiences. I perform for my audience. I love my audience. You know, a lot of people say that I do this for myself. I do this for my thing. मेरे अपने आप के, मैं खुद के लिए नहीं, मैं अपने audience के लिए करता हूँ. So I think audience हमारे लिए भगवान होता है, at least मेरे लिए.
Sir,
बहुत सारे artists ऐसे बोलते हैं ना. People. A lot of artists say that you know. I'm singing for myself. Then you should sing in your bathroom, not in public. I want to just tell those people.
So what's
बस
your
क्या है और क्या है, मतलब do you want me to sing another last song?
Okay sir.
क्योंकि मैंने तुम्हारी फरमाइश ली ना, लोगों की तो ली ना.
हाँ सर.
लग जा गले. Okay, this is Sanidhi _1602. Arpita Kalra, yeah, 2-3 people have said Lagja Gale. Vineet Pisces, Shreya Nagpure. Okay, यार मेरे को ना बहुत सारे मैसेजेस मिल रहे हैं कि ये दुपट्टा बहुत गिर रहा है, तुम्हारा निकाल दो. चलो ये चुनरी निकाल दी हमने, ठीक है, अभी वो हमने रख दिया है. अच्छा ठीक है, कम ऑन, लग जा गले. लग जा गले के फिर हंसी रात हो न हो, शायद फिर इस जन्म में मुलाकात हो न हो. लग जा गले के फिर हंसी रात हो न हो, शायद फिर इस जन्म में मुलाकात हो न हो. लग जा गले हमको मिली है आज ये घड़ियां नसीब से, जी भर के देख लीजिए हमको करीब से, फिर आपके नसीब में ये रात हो न हो, शायद फिर इस जन्म में मुलाकात हो न हो. लग जा गले सॉरी माय थ्रोट, मतलब इतना बात करके ना पानी नहीं पिया है. आई जस्ट सी, सॉरी अगर मतलब इट वाज नॉट माय बेस्ट, बट
इट्स ओके. सर ये डेस्टिनी था तो क्या था सर?
जी सॉरी
सर ये डेस्टिनी था तो क्या था? बेस्ट ही था सर, बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस था आपका.
थैंक यू
एंड सर thank you so much for being on our little show. And sir, is there any last piece of advice which you want to give to the person and all our lovely viewers out there?
you know, I always say this that I never like to give advice. I'm nobody. हम कौन होते हैं दूसरों को एडवाइस देने के लिए, है ना? एक ही बात मैं कहना चाहूंगा कि आप पहले तो अपने आप से शुरू होकर दूसरों तक सिर्फ खुशी और प्यार ही स्प्रेड करें. नो प्लेस फॉर हेट्रेड, नो टाइम फॉर प्रेजुडिस, डिस्क्रिमिनेशन. प्लीज डोंट यू नो, इतना टाइम किसके पास होता है कि किसी और के बारे में बात करना, और फिर यू नो बहुत लोगों के पास होता है, बट you should use that time properly to, you know, love yourself and just be confident, comfortable in yourself. That's all I have to say. Have fun, don't be too serious yaar. Pata nahi, life is too short, so I think that you know you shouldn't be so serious all the time. बहुत सारे लोग बहुत ही मतलब नकचड़े ऐसे ही बैठे रहते हैं. I'm like, just have fun, you know. So, and as an artist, I hope that I can do that. I can make you all smile, I can make you all laugh, I can make you all, you know, I can just be there and just entertain you all for as long as I can. Thank you so much. Thank you for tuning in, and thank you so much for
Thank you, sir.
doing
It
this
was our
lovely interview.
pleasure.
आपने बहुत अच्छे से इंटरव्यू किया है, तो I must tell you that.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
So guys, I think बहुत अच्छा इंटरव्यू रहा है, एंड ये लाइव सेशन अपलोड होगा इंस्टाग्राम पे, एंड इट विल आल्सो बी अपलोडेड ऑन आवर यूट्यूब चैनल, सो यू कैन वॉच दिस लाइव सेशन अगेन, एंड आई होप दैट यू माइट लर्न अ थिंग और टू. सो या, एंड बहुत सारे सरप्राइजेस आने वाले हैं नेक्स्ट वीक भी. सो आई विल बी क्विकली शेयरिंग अ पॉजिटिव न्यूज दैट आई हर्ड टुडे, एंड this was that this news is coming from Ludhiana, Punjab, where there is a businessman, contractor named Manoj Kumar Gupta, and he renamed his shop to his shop used to name Gupta and Sons, but he was really very influenced by the idea of Beti Bachao Beti Padhao. So even though he tried to rename the shop to Gupta and Daughters. So I think that's a really beautiful gesture, and yeah. So thanks for watching this live session, and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel also, and all this live session and all these videos will be uploaded on Instagram and YouTube. So yeah, that's pretty much about it, and have peace, happy Eid to everyone again, and bye.